Here we go for the bout number 1. Who will take the lead?
Round 1.
Oh, blue is taking lead. Both are orthodox fighters. Oh, that's a hard left hand hook from blue to red. You can see the way that red one is defending herself. You can see that blue is lowering her guard, and that's not much good for herself. And that might be beneficial for the red to throw a punch right into her face. You can see that right hand hook for the blue. Blue boxer is taking and counting on precious timing. The red boxer is just can't do anything because you can see that way that blue boxer is throwing body punches and right into the lumps. And those body punches must be really beneficial for the win to this match and earn the scores. You can see that boxer is aggressive. Blue boxer is really aggressive and she's taking the lead always. She's throwing jams. It's done. I think red one isn't have done their homework.
Results of the round number 5. Referees come to contest. Winner, blue. Representing Kazakhstan. Change of official.